It is 28th March and we are heading to the Dominican Republic today. We had some great days in the British Virgin Islands, but now it's time to leave. Over there, a new crew member will join us to the next destinations. We will depart from Just Van Dyke towards the Spanish Virgin Islands. We sail past it to catch as much wind as current as possible. Very bravely, we will see land once we reach the coast of Puerto Rico. The coast above Puerto Rico can be rough, because the waves of the Atlantic Ocean accumulate there due to the increasing shallowness close to the coast. But we expect not that much wind, so it should not be a problem. Then we pass the Mona patches. This one is also notorious for its turbulence. The current squeezes through there together with the movement of the Atlantic Ocean. When wind and current are against each other, it is better to tie everything up twice.
In the morning sun.
Hallo,
Hi. Gaan we naartoe?
de Dominicaanse Republiek.
Maar vanavond eten we vis.
Puerto Rico.
Daar is Puerto Rico.
As planned, we passed Puerto Rico. Unfortunately, it is impossible to set foot here because it falls under the US territories. You need a special visa for this country if you are not US citizen. About Puerto Rico. Mr. Columbus arrived in Puerto Rico in 1493 during his second voyage to the New World. At first, Columbus christened the island San Juan Bautista. The name was soon changed to Puerto Rico, or Richport, when the Spaniards realized the impressive amount of gold found in its rivers.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, and on those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Tempo.
Hij was wel licht. Hij was absoluut nee.
Om de gele boei heen. We are now approaching the port of Punta Cana. It is highly recommended to approach this entrance in daylight. Off the coast is a reef with a narrow and shallow passage to the harbor. The pilot book says that from the Yellow Buoy you must sail a course of 270 degrees and pass the Red Buoy as close as possible. Unfortunately, a boat similar to ours had run into the reef this morning. These arrived before sunrise. In next episodes, we sail with our new crew member Karen to the north of the Dominican Republic. From Le Peru, we leave for the Turks and Caicos Islands.